As a developer or DSA newbie, you may have ran into a problem where you were needed to keep a track or the count of something. So the best and efficient data structure to solve this kind of problem is Hashmap. But what actually is a hashmap? Hashmap is a data structure which stores data in the form of key and value pairs. Each key is mapped to a value. In Hashmap, the keys are unique. Now, let's see this in action. You can use any language of your choice, but I will be using Java. Now, I'll start by creating a class, then I'll create the main method which is required in Java. Then I'll create an array which will contain some random elements. Here you can notice that some of the elements are repeated more than once. Now I'll create a variable which will store the array length. Now I'll create a hash map which will store the keys of type integer and values of type integer, and we will create this to store the frequency of each of the elements in the array. Now I'll initialize the for loop for iterating through the array. Now for each of the element I'll check if this element is present in the hash map or not. If this element is present, then I'll simply increase its count by 1. Now we'll check another conditions that if the element is not present in the array, then we'll put this element into the array and we will initialize its count by 1 because this is the first element which we found till now. Now we can print the key set of this map which will contain all the keys, and then we can print the values of this map which will contain all the values. Now as the output we can see each of the elements from the array along with their frequency. So a practical example of this would be to keep a track of the current active users along with their last seen, like that in Instagram. Going into the implementation details is outside the scope of this video, but if I receive enough comments, then I would be more than happy to create a video of it. Thanks for watching and subscribe to the channel for more such videos.